Hey guys, it's Mike from Urban English, having a fantastic day here in Barranquilla. It's a super hot day, absolutely gorgeous. Guys, today's expression is to leave someone in a lurch. To leave someone in a lurch. Okay, so when you leave someone in a lurch, basically what you're doing is you're abandoning them in a very difficult situation. For example, if I worked in a school, I work for myself, but if I worked in a school and I said to them, hey, look, I quit, well, that would leave them in a lurch. They would have to find another teacher super fast to manage all of their students. I'll give you another example. You work in a store and you are the top salesperson and you tell your boss, hey, I quit. You're going to leave your boss in a lurch. He's not going to have anybody to do the sales. So again, to leave someone in a lurch means to abandon them in a very difficult situation. Guys, I hope you enjoyed this video. As always, hit subscribe in the bottom, share this with your friends, and also let me know if you've ever been left in a lurch, or if you have ever left somebody else in a lurch. Guys, as always, have a fantastic day.